I didn't see zero.
How long are you staying here? How long are you staying here?
How long do you want me to stay?
2 months.
Huh?
2 months.
That's it? Okay.
No! How many? 6 months? 10 months?
Forever.
Okay. Can you? Mommy, really?
Don't look at me.
Really? Yay!
Would you like that? If Baba stayed?
Yeah.
Ben. Ken, that's it? So if Baba told you right now that she's not gonna go, she's not gonna leave ever. What would you say?
Yes, okay.
Just okay?
But I am leaving.
No.
Yeah.
But the other's gonna go back.
Yeah, they're gonna
And
go back.
He's gonna work there, and then
To go back for a little bit, finish the stuff, and then
and hopefully the other will come also. Okay?
and we're gonna all be together.
Here in this house? Yeah. Really?
Really good.
Where's all these suitcases?
Right.
Where's all these
Papa, can you
suitcases?
stay?
There you are. You want Baba to stay?
Really? Yeah. Really? Where's all the suitcases and all? That's all? Why didn't we know your house?
Papa gonna find a job, make some money, then Papa gonna rent an apartment somewhere here, so you can come all the time.
Mommy? Really? Here? Who lives in
I'm gonna look for it.
And then you're gonna bring all your house to here?
And then you and I can walk to me.
Here?
And stay with me in my new house.
We can walk to you to live over there.
Somewhere near that you can walk.
No, next to my school.
That's just. And Papa and Dad now gonna pick you up every day from school.
Really? You're gonna stay here?
Really stay. I'm like, we're gonna.
Mommy, coming to do this?
That deserves a big kiss, I think.